Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off at Whole Foods, the Whole Foods in Tribeca. I love this Whole Foods. Check this out. They got this little like hangout area here now. It's like different from the other like eating area over there. It's pretty cool. I'm just charging up the boosted here. And right now I have two different waters here, and I want to talk about both of these. The first one here is Whole Foods 365 spring water. You guys know it's crazy hot in New York, and in the summer, there's a lot of vendors that sell bottled water. Usually $1 per bottle is like the common amount, but here at Whole Foods, you can get this bottle for 39 cents. With tax, it's like, I think it's like 46 cents. Not bad, not bad. But here we have another bottle of water. Now, the cool thing about this bottled water, this one has a pH level of 9.5. So this is supposed to taste a whole lot better than this water here. This water here, I predict the pH level is around, I don't know, maybe 6.5 or 7. So this one is going to taste a whole lot better. So let's do a little taste test here. Okay, so right now I'm going to start off with the Whole Foods spring water, because right now I'm actually really, really thirsty. I just came in from skateboarding, and I got what are these? There's some onion rolls from Whole Foods, and yeah, I'm like super thirsty, so let's try out the first one. Okay, nothing special. Absolutely nothing special about the 365. I mean, it's just like a normal bottle of water. And these are not really cold, by the way. If these were cold, I feel it would taste a whole lot better. Another thing about water taste testing, a lot of people like to do testings in like crystal glasses and that sort of thing, and I'm just doing the test out of the bottles. So let's try our pH level of 9.5. Wow, that's a big difference. It's a big difference. I want to say it makes me more thirsty. You guys should try it out and let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Can you taste the difference? I can definitely taste the difference. I feel this one is more refreshing, but it makes me thirsty. The higher the pH level, the more it hydrates you. The higher the pH levels, the more it hydrates you. So I guess on a hot day, it's better to drink higher pH level waters. I don't know. Next. Okay, so you got two boards, huh? Okay, so do they both work? Did you guys fix them? Or? Well, of course you did, right? Okay, alright. Say it again. That's okay. Okay. Back on the west side now. Wow, look at today. What a beautiful day. What a nice day. Earlier I picked up a pair of knee pads here. Knee pads are great to ride with when you're riding, especially how I ride. So got some knee pads. Trying to take it easy, trying to take it slow. Trying to get over in that area. Fast forward, it's Friday, it's ride night, and meeting up with the skaters now. We got a nice sized group riding. Check out this group right here. We got mad people over here, mad people. We taking over. We're pissing security off because there's too many of us over here. And it looks like there's another event going on over here too, a much larger event going on. You gotta love Battery Park on a Friday evening or something like that in the summer. You gotta love Battery Park on a Friday evening in the summer. Oh my gosh, I love New York. I'm having such a blast right now. Can't wait for this ride to get started. Okay, so we just showed up to the first charge spot, and it looks like the restaurant's closed, so we're gonna head over to this pizza spot. Let's do this. Is that a skateboard hook on the back of your backpack?
Custom made, yep.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Dude, I should freaking stop actually. Up on the east side, on the Upper East Side. I hardly ever come to the Upper East Side. Interesting, when I first came to New York, this is where I say was the Upper East Side, but it was like deep in Harlem. Well, it wasn't deep in Harlem, it was like 110th and like 3rd or something like that. And now, since I'm on the West Side, I never come to the East Side, like hardly ever. I love the West Side. You know what they say? They say the West is the best, yo.
Make a right on Lexington. Let me just go in real quick. Yeah, no. Just like, yeah. Watch the car.
That guy's drunk. This the place? Alright, so we're at the pizza restaurant now. Let's see what this pizza restaurant's about. Someone said they had good pizza. I guess we gotta find out. Yes.
Everywhere, just line up the boards against the wall.
Yeah.
Killing it.
Dang, look at this. Yes.
Keep it as This is my spot. So like,
It's your spot?
It's my spot.
What's up, dude? What's up going on, man? What's going on, man? Having fun? That's what's up. You got a little charge fest going on?
Yeah, trying to get charged up.
Only in New York, we go to a restaurant, we blow the power. So we got to get the people to go flip the switch. Yeah. Too many skateboards. Yes.
Let's do this.
Okay, so my food just arrived. Check this out right here. I'm about to eat up. I'm about to eat like a king, yo. Well, not exactly. I'm about to do good. Let's make this up here. All right. Right now we're at 17th and Lexington. It looks like we're gonna go all the way down.
And right on 57th.
57th, and then
we're gonna hit 7th Ave to go down.
we're not gonna take Broadway. Let's take Broadway.
7th turns into Broadway.
No, let's take Broadway, and then it'll turn into 7th.
No, from back here it doesn't.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Y'all ready to dance? Woo! Yeah!
Sean left like 2 hours ago.
You feel as though that side has nothing on it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not going into that wall.
Well, if we go up 2 blocks, we can get to the crossover and take that way.
You want to take the central
Yeah.
park?
Yeah. So we'll go in and make the right here. Just follow me.
But is that a good idea to go back to Central Park?
Because we're up at 70, we gotta get to 59. So we'll go through the park.
And we out.
What's good?